Hi, in this video I will show you how to make parameter for hiding some object in Revit. So it's quite easy. What I what that I gonna do right now is just create component model in place. Let's say generate models. Okay, generate model one. Now I'm gonna create a simple geometry square. Now I'm gonna make it two. Just create again, and yeah, I'm gonna use extraction, a little one or another little one. So no. So first this, then multiply like this. Okay, we're gonna go into 3D. Just push that. Then if we click this object is unite into one object. So I'm gonna do this. The other box have a parameter to hiding itself. So what I gonna do right now is just click edit in place, click the object that you want to hide. I will click this, and as you can see right now in properties, graphics visible, there is a little box, so you just click on it. Now what you gonna do is create new parameter for graphics visible, for visibility. Then just click new parameter, just click box 1, type box 1. I will do instance, which means it will showing this parameter into properties. So I will just click OK, then OK. It's not showing yet, but if I click finish edit mode, click the object, as you can see right now, it's appear in the properties. Now, if I'm gonna do to hide the object, I just uncheck the box 1, then click apply, and it's gone. That's so simple and easy to do that.